code is the part of Interco, International Code of Signal used for signaling and communicating with other stations in the form of flashes and giving blasts. So we have 26 alphabets, hence 26 Morse code and 0 to 9 numbers. The main problem with these Morse code is to memorize them for exam purpose, yet it is given in Interco but have to learn them not only for the exam but also certain situations like in case of emergencies on board where you do not have the time to refer Interco. So in this video I am going to teach you how to learn Morse code by grouping of alphabets having rhythmic Morse code. There are other methods to do the same, but I prefer this because it is simple and easy to learn. I learned with the rhythm and clear my signal exam in one shot without any coaching classes. So let's get started, and please take a moment to subscribe my channel, like, comment and share to my video. So let us start it. Morse code. As you can see on my laptop screen, there are 26 alphabets and 10 numbers of the Morse code. So the first grouping of the Morse code are EISH5, that is Echo India Sierra Hotel 5. I make rhythm with the help of these alphabets as English in Scotland Hi-Fi, as you can see on my screen, English in Scotland Hi-Fi. So the Morse code of E is did, I is did, S is did, hotel is did, and 5 is did. So this is the grouping of alphabets: Echo India Sierra Hotel and 5. Now the next grouping of Morse code is DU. I make it as Delhi University. So this is a very common term, Delhi University, as you can memorize easily. So D is da, did, U is university, did, da. So as you can learn, Delhi University, DU. My next grouping is VB. VB is volleyball. So volleyball is also a very common term, you can memorize easily. So the Morse code of V is did, da. And the Morse code of B is da, did. My next grouping of alphabets is J, Y, Q, that is Juliet, Yankee and Quebec. So J, Y, Q I termed as Jhuta, Yogesh, Qureshi. So Jhuta J is did, da, Y, Yogesh, da, did, da, Q, Qureshi, da, did, da. So this is the grouping of JYQ. My next grouping is GW. GW is going well. So going well is also a very common term, as you can learn easily. So G is da, did, and W is did, da. My next grouping is RK, that is rising kite. R is did, and K, kilo, is da, did, da. My next grouping is FL, that is Foxtrot Lima. Foxtrot is did, da, did, and Lima is did, da, did. My next grouping is NA, that is not available. So not available is also a very common term. Not is termed as da, did, and A, alpha, did, da. So my next grouping is PX. As you can see in the celestial navigation, PX is termed as polar distance. So there is no rhythm for the PX. I make it as polar distance as I take it from the celestial navigation. So you all aware of this term PX, that is polar distance. P is Papa and X is X-ray. So the Morse code of Papa is did, da, did, and X-ray is da, did, da. My next grouping is TMO, that is Tango, Mike, Oscar. Tango is I termed as time out, time out. So the Morse code of Tango is da, the Morse code of Mike is da, and the Morse code of Oscar is da. So my next Morse code is Charlie and Zulu. So there is no rhythm for that and there is no grouping for that also. So I termed as the same Charlie and Zulu. So Charlie is da, did, which means yes, affirmative, and the Zulu is da, da, did, which means I require a tug. This is the meaning of these Morse codes. So I will not make any grouping here because they are totally different from each other. So you can term it as Charlie and Zulu. Now we come to the number. So from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it is in one group, and 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, it is in another group. So the Morse code of 1 is did, da, 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 da. The Morse code of 2 is did, da, da, da. The Morse code of 3 is did, da, da. The Morse code of 4 is did, da. The Morse code of 5 is did. And the next grouping of number is 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. There is no 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 0. So the Morse code of 6 is da, did. The Morse code of 7 is da, da, did. The Morse code of 8 is da, did. The Morse code of 9 is da, did. The Morse code of 0 is da. So in the same way you can learn the Morse code and you can crack your signal exams in one shot. I make sure about this by making this video. So thank you for watching this video. Thank you so much. Bye. Take care.